What you eating, huh? What are you eating? You eating mac and cheese? Or are you making more of a mess than you are eating? Look at that. There's a noodle on your bib. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? I have a feeling. Is that a noodle mustache? I have a feeling you have more on your lap than anywhere else. Reagan, you're cracking mommy up. Oh.